It's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. So I've been packing, getting ready to move. We are moving on this Friday. So today is Tuesday, so we got Wednesday and Thursday to finish packing. Hopefully we can get it all finished by then. The house, as you can see behind me, lots of stuff has been packed. Still a lot of stuff still packed. Upstairs we still got a lot to do, and I've been working on the area where I've been working downstairs. See if I can. This is where I've been working downstairs on this little sewing table, because before we had found a place to move, I started working down here, and I was trying to organize the little room I had upstairs before my daughter had moved out and everything. And I was working down here. I was working on her wedding flowers and everything, and then I was just working on videos and everything right there on this little table. And because I was working on the kitchen table, and like I said, I was trying to work down here to try and organize and see what I could do upstairs. Then I eventually thought, well, maybe I'll just turn this room down here into my office and studio, because we had gotten rid of our big sofa and it was getting hard to come down here with me training Nugget. Well, then he was basically about training, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and try to organize it and fix it up upstairs. I just wasn't getting the privacy down here. And then that's when we ended up finding a place to move. So I thought, well, I'm not going to go ahead and do that if we're going to be moving. So here I am. I just ended up staying down here on the little table trying to do my Stampin' Up business and the videos. Now I've been packing up everything, and then of course, like I said, I had some, a lot of stuff was in these boxes. I've got some upstairs, but I had a lot of stuff in these little bitty boxes, and I'm having to go through some stuff. Like I need to go through these right here, because, and probably some of those over there, I was, I had a lot of stuff where I had put it in some boxes and bins and stuff and just brought it down like this just to get it out of my way so I could go through it and see what it was and organize it. And there's a lot of stuff I don't want to take, and either it needs to be trashed or donated or something. Now there is some things I want to take because I'm either going to use it as a giveaway, or I'm going to sell it, or I'm keeping it, of course. So all that still needs to be like packed. That's on top of that coffee table. You can't even see the coffee table. So there's a lot still to do, and I've been very overwhelmed. On top of this little table thing here, it's like a little entry table. I've got all that stuff that's just scattered and needs to be taken care of. Oh, I need to get those bubbles and I guess put them in the donation. We got donations picking up tomorrow, and that's what all this is sitting over there. So much donations, and they're picking up tomorrow morning. And I just will be so glad when I get all the donations junk out of here, because that's going to be a big relief off my mind. But I keep finding more and more, so I've been really trying to go through stuff and just get all my donation stuff out of here, because that just clears up so much. So yeah, that's what I've been, and I've been having to wash everything and clean everything, because our dryer is upstairs and it's been backed up, and that's one of the reasons we wanted to move, is because our landlord doesn't fix anything here. We haven't had proper heat. Our air has been out all summer. If y'all have been following me, I haven't had air, and with my health, I need air. I've had the windows up, and that's terrible on my health, my allergies and everything. Matter of fact, woke up this morning with a terrible sinus headache, so I'm praying it'll go away. I've already been feeling really bad, and in a lot of pain with this fibro and neuropathy and arthritis, and my back's and legs and everything have been all the way down to my feet and up my neck. It's been really hard on me going up and down the stairs and bending over and packing. So I've been asking a lot of people to keep me in prayer, because I've been having to really slow down. And I just can't do it like I did 8 years ago when I moved here. And I don't have really any help. My husband's been working, and he's got a couple of days off. He's trying to help. He just don't know exactly where to go, what to do, until I tell him. And then basically what he does is he goes out and runs an errand for me. So, and we do need more boxes. My daughter had brought over a week or so ago boxes, like when she's gotten wedding gifts and whatever, she's saved the boxes and brought them over. So we got a few boxes. But I tell you what, I just don't have the mind capacity. I can't even speak. I'm so out of it. But it's like I was, when you're younger, your brain works better. When you get older and your health is not good, you don't think as well, and you're not quite all there with your organizing. It's like I know what I want to do, I know what I need to do, but then when I get up and I'm trying to move and do it, it's like my body wants to just shut down on me. So I'm really having a hard time. So I start to do something for a little bit, and then I have to sit down, and I almost just want to fall right to sleep, and I'm really fighting it. Then I just start to cry, because I know I've got this to do in a short amount of time, and I'm just going nuts here. So, and then of course, like I said, I'm trying to get it done by Friday, because my husband is getting the truck Friday, and I'm like, well, what if all this stuff's not even packed? He says, well, I'll move what's packed, and we'll get what we can or whatever. So I'm very overwhelmed. I've been praying and asking God to take all this from me, and I hate moving. I've never had a good moving experience, and it's just been very hard on me. So, y'all excuse me. So, anyway, I haven't had time to do anything but to sit and pray or to pack. But I am trying to get all my studio stuff packed up here, and then I've got all that room upstairs. I've got all my daughter's room upstairs to do in my room, and I'm trying to save the kitchen stuff last. And of course, my husband says, well, of course, we've got this china cabinet here. I really want to do all that stuff last, because I got so much stuff sitting around that I've got to go through and do. And we just don't, you can see the floor. We don't have any walking space. And I'm trying to go through stuff and not just throw stuff in boxes or bins or whatever, because we're moving to a smaller place, and I don't want to clutter it up and then be overwhelmed with not knowing where to go with anything. So that's why I was trying to be a little more particular on how I'm packing everything. But it's just been really hard on me doing it by myself. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on, and that's why I have not been doing any videos. I have to kind of take a break, but I wanted to come on here and just show you what I was dealing with, and the mess around me, and how overwhelmed I am. And I will show you my new place as soon as I get there. Show you that. Maybe I can show you all Friday. They're laying new carpet down. Actually, I think they laid new carpet down yesterday for us, so I will have new carpet. Upstairs had hardwood floors, but they were covering them up, and I kind of wish they hadn't have. Look at all of the dog toys. And we gave half of those to Shelby for Nugget, and I really we should have taken more. There's all my paper pumpkins, and I've got more over here in that bag. So I got all of them packed and ready to go. And then my new ones over here in that bag, so that when I can get a place to sit down, I want to start making some alternatives with the Joy to the World. So anyway, that's what I was wanting to do, just a real quick little video. And I gotta get back to packing. I'm gonna put up my lights here and pack them up. And that's my planner. And then I've been trying to read the scripture every day to keep me from losing my mind and remembering this. Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Matthew 6:34. So that's a good scripture to remember. So, and there's my planner for this week, which I really don't have a lot of time to even sit there and do anything in it, but I had already decorated it up, kind of. My clock. Y'all are always wondering what those clocks are. It's that one and that one. And then, I'm sorry if I'm making y'all dizzy. There's that one over there, which y'all probably can't even see. Let's see. The window's in the way. These are the 3 clocks that y'all probably hear in my videos all the time. That one. It went off earlier. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to get off here and get more packing done. I haven't even ate yet. I just drank a cup of coffee. I need to eat something and take my medicine that I need to take. You see, here's my coffee still sitting. But I wanted to come on here and say hey to y'all and get a video up. And just let y'all know why I haven't been doing any videos. And I will talk to y'all later. Have a blessed day and say a prayer for me. Love y'all. God bless.